Hey everyone, Pandora here with Integrative Gardening. Just showing you our grapevines. We are out today pruning the vines. It's late January. So you'll see how these vines are coming off of the main branch here. And these were trimmed so that we could get to the grapes easier. So that's why we have these little short stems, but now it is time to trim those down. So here's what the grapevines look like in fall. You see the nice fall leaves here. And you see some pretty long grapevines along the fence. And then some shorter ones sticking out over on this side, where we trimmed them a little bit to get to the grapes. So we pretty much just trim the longer stems all the way down to these main vines, as Mike is showing us there. And then you have just these big vines that have been here for years. Oops, this one got missed. It's hanging up in the tree there. But yeah, you can see all the little nubs here where we've cut off all the vines. And there's someone cutting vines down there. Here's a nice old vine that's attached to this fence here. And once we trim the vines, we kind of either just throw them on the ground underneath where the wood chips are, or we'll chop them in smaller pieces and then put them in a wheelbarrow. Yeah, we use them in different parts of the garden for different things. So this section got a bit damaged. We're not sure what happened. Some of the branches were cut on the other side of the fence. So it may have been neighbors cutting them because they were on their side. So this is a chance for us to get a fresh start and cut off everything that was on their side so we can have more control over our grapes. Yeah, some of these vines got a little bit wild here. It's better to keep them tied closer to the fence, but that does kind of look neat how it kind of sticks out there. And that's all I have for you today. So there you have it. Keeping grapevines is fairly easy to do. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you next time.